Hello again, welcome back on my favorite coder cats and coder kittens. As usual, this is Becca going by Nightcat or Nightcat's Mail most places online, and I am here again to talk to you about Linden scripting language. Last time I covered for loops, so this time I'm going to cover while loops, also called a do well. And what that means is it will continue to operate as long as a specific fact is true. So they give a few examples on the wiki, but we're going to build one really quick. They're really simple to understand. So we'll say we'll click it, and then it will run its while loop. While I is less than or equal to 10. We'll start I as equaling 0, and you do not, as much as I tell you to love your semicolons, you do not actually put semicolons on the conditionals like ifs or elses or well or all of that. You don't need them there. If it shows up in blue, in nice dark blue, you don't need that. So we're going to say owner say the number is string I equals I plus 1. Sleep 1. I put that in on the touch control so that I trigger it when I want to instead of it just starting automatically. But it just keeps counting up. And then the loop is closed. It can no longer run because its condition is no longer true. That is just a different way of approaching a loop compared to the for loops from before. Just like with a for loop, you can contain any code you need to inside. For loop is a good way for a while loop is a good way for running things if you don't know at what point the condition you're looking for is going to be met. If you know a way to know exactly how many iterations you need, go ahead and use a for loop. If you don't know how many iterations you're going to need, use a while loop. It will just continue running until such time as its conditions are met. So that was a while loop, and this has been Coder Kitty Decoded, where I break down the arguments, syntax, and structure of various LSL commands for those of you who happen to like the way I present it. For those that want more in-depth educational work, go to my main playlist, Coder Kitty's workshop, also called Learn Linden Scripting Language. We're almost 100 episodes, and in that one, every project is a lesson, and every lesson is a project. So hope to see you back again next week. We have Decoded videos every Wednesday by noon Eastern Time, and we have workshop videos every Tuesday by noon Eastern Time. Hope to see you then. Till then, good day, good week, good luck, happy scripting. Meow.